Age range. Recommended for toddlers and kids ages 3+. Ideal size. Assembled table dimensions, 23.5 inches WX 23.5 inches DX 19.625 inches H. Assembled chair dimensions, 10 inches WX 11.5 inches D by 20 inches H. Weight limit. Each chair holds up to 50 pounds. Quality craftsmanship. This kids' table and chair set is built from sturdy wood. Extremely safe. Meets or exceeds all national safety standards and table accommodates an additional 2-piece chair set, sold separately, to seat up to 4 kids. Top reviews from the United States. Total steal for the price. I am so impressed. It took all 10 minutes to assemble both chairs, but the smart construction design assured that these are very sturdy. Heavy, well made, very easy to clean. Absolutely love them. Tip. When assembling, use some wood glue or even school glue, stick or liquid, on the wooden pegs before inserting into their holes, to assure even longer life of these.